Grateful means we remind ourselves of what we have achieved in life. What we are now. It makes us feel great and claim that we have at least something. But our present attitude toward life is quite different from being grateful. It constantly reminds us of our ambitions and what we need to achieve. But if we stay grateful, it will also be very strange, and it will also make us ambitious. We have already achieved and reached here, we can make more efforts and achieve more. But our mind usually goes where we lack in life. What we did not achieve. What we failed to achieve. What if we died this night or on our deathbed? What is important for us at that moment? I think that is the bright day we spent, the taste of milk, the good moments of achievements, and chit-chat with our family and friends. After death, we will be remembered only for our values. Being grateful is also a dragon. It makes us impatient. It diverts our minds in the future. What should we have to achieve? It makes us fearful of what should happen if things are not going as we want. We are not grateful because we fear accepting our limitations and the things we fail to achieve. The events we missed. The words we wanted to say but missed. Grateful means to accept life as it is, which is the greatest fear for all of us. But being grateful makes us humble and soft. We have to not be too hard on ourselves, at least we achieve something. Being grateful is important. Because life is tough and cruel. And our minds constantly remind us of our failures and rejections. The feelings we feel when we are helpless are pain and suffering. Particularly, these feelings make us less hopeful, fearful, and anxious. At least as per my personal experience, these feelings hurt us at least once a day. But when we are grateful, it makes us hopeful. It reminds us that despite rejection, failure, and guilt, we are still standing, we have still achieved something. Something we are proud of. Regardless of the defeat, we are proud to be participants in the battle, of which 100 wish to be part. Regarding failure, we still learned something. Regardless of the rejection, at least we did not regret not trying. Being grateful makes us cool, makes us happy, and makes us more competent. It is an antidote to anxiety. Nothing happens if our lives do not go away as we wish. We are alive, happy, and enjoying the moment.